Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how we can fix the home button disappeared issue or problem in the Waterfox web browser. So let us dive into this. So guys, as you can see, I'm on Waterfox web browser and let me open a new tab for demonstration purposes. And as you can see, there is no home button in the top left corner next to the refresh button. It is usually visible on default. However, guys, if you accidentally removed it, this is how we can fix this. So what you will need to do is access the customization menu for your toolbar here to re-enable that home button. This is how you can do it. Click into the three lines in the top right, and from there, guys, what you want to do is click into more tools, and from here click into customize toolbar. So here, guys, you will see all tools and buttons you may add to your toolbar here at the top. And simply look for the home button. Let me find it. There it is, that one here. So simply, it works intuitively. Simply hover your mouse over it and the cursor will switch to that hand button or icon. Click into it, hold your left mouse and drag it to your toolbar. Release your left mouse and there you go. You can position it also here to the right if you like, wherever you go. So let me position it here to the left, and that is going to restore that home button. As you can see now, if I click into it, that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.